Bless sa parents. Sa right side ka ni Bride. Kunin mo na si Bride. Yan. Punta mo siya sa parents mo. Ma'am Bride, bless sa parents ni Groom. Okay na po. Mami, dali. Last time.
Blessed be the Lord forever.
Congratulations, Alexis and Christine. Please join me here. Dito po tayo. Mabuhay po ang bagong kasal. Congratulations sa both of you. Okay, willing interest, get ready. Okay. Spirit, the gracious and the generous principal sponsors. So, unahin ko muna, of course, yung mga nagkagandahan, mga ninangs. So, mga ninangs, get ready. Again, pag natawag na po ang yung pangalan, samarin naman kami dito sa loob. Here we go. And to start with, sa mga nagkagandang mga ninangs, samahan po tayo. We have Honorable Barangay Captain. We have Captain Wilma Halasan. Palakpak naman po tayo. Top. You're here. How about Ninang Ninita Belmonte? We have Ninang Cristina Sale. We have Ninang Raquel Di Puerto. Ninang Violeta Barbosa. We have Ninang Jennifer Buyaw. Ninang Jennifer. Dito po tayo. And sa mga ninong saman po tayo, first we have Dr. Roberto Orlando, we have Kagawad Romeo Parsan, Kagawad Romeo Serafica, Mr. Yonel Buya, Mr. Paquito Anasco, Mr. Reynaldo Ruin, Mr. Richard Montcalm, Mr. Federico Vesperas Jr., Mr. Marcelino Leal, Mr. Urbano Duro, Mr. Johnny Macaway, Mr. Dan Orlando, Mr. Ernesto Galiante, Mr. Alejandro Toquero, Mr. Roberto Recedes, Mr. Bernard Alpadlog, Mr. Vicente Gatusan, Mr. Lugin Sulis, Mr. Nestor Varillas, and Mr. Rinaldo Ontala. We have the secondary, or the wedding entourage rather, little groom and a little bride. We have Glenn, Clemente, and for the little bride we have Yani Alexia Alvaro. Ring bearer, we have Chris Alex Alvaro. Boy bearer, we have Joseph Villanos Jr. Minor bearer, we have Jake Darren Urani. And Rosary bearer, we have John Ray Alvaro. Flower girls, we have Bridget Galietes, Gia Benetes, Cherkin, Aulia, Luis Roisler, we have Santa Fe Adoro, we have Sia, Giselle, Kia, Martinella Ayesha Galietes, Kylie Stephanie Roisler, and Ana Mina Renalosa and Liana J. Galiones. Okay, but before anything else, we would like to acknowledge the great part of this Jewish affair. For without their support, this event would not be made possible. And of course, we are extremely happy to present to you the proud parents are. So palakpakan naman po natin, we have the proud parents of the group. We have Mr. and Mrs. Aurea Alvaro and Mr. Cesar Alvaro. Palakpakan naman po natin, come on! Ayun. And later on, magkakaroon po tayo ng presentation. And the song, palakpakan naman po natin without their support. Of course, we have the proud parents of the bride. We have Mr. and Mrs. Divine Grace Malingdam and Mr. Orlando Malingdam. Palakpak naman po tayo. Okay, for the team group, we have the best man, Mr. Vincent Anasco. Groomsmen, we have Ryan Karim Roisler, Bensmar Nakar, John Cedric Duro, Shepard Malingdam, Mark Angelo Varillas, Alexander Pimienta, Sandra Pimienta, David Marguertos, Katipa, Rudy Eugenio, and Lance Realosa. For the team bride, we have our lady bar, we have Miss Jonata Malingdam, bridesmaids, we have Aisha, we have Elisa Rani, Sofia Alvaro, Roxanne Malingdam, Maria Lauren, Julieta Delisa, Angela Lopez, and Shalia Dopliar, Robian Bautista, Guerrero. Secondary sponsors, we have Micaela Gwen Roisler and Marika Malingdam and Kimberly Doro. Secondary sponsors, we have Prince Card, Liwanan, Amor, Adelia Galietes, and Rodan Palaganas. Okay, those are guest visitors out there. Please, you may now come over here and exchange the tables that designated to you. Come on, before we get started with our program. Samahan niyo na kami dito. Come on. Sincerity and fidelity in the love of the newlywed. A remarkable, memorable, and unforgettable wedding. Wala po bang isang malakas sa palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang iyakan dyan? Okay, wedding entourage, get ready. Magkakaroon lang po tayo ng konting presentation this song. Come on! Come on! Ba't mga hindi gumagalaw? Operator, from the top, uulitin ko, mga nilang sa kay Kakapon. Okay, here we go. Once again, give it up for Ayun, come on! Jasper Paul. There we go. Ayun! Wala po lang sa palakasan para sa ating mga nagagandang mga ninangs. Maraming salamat. Siguro ang ginawang patalo na ay ninong sa'yo. Okay, mga ninangs, are you ready? Ninangs, are you ready? Okay. Huwag po tayo papatalo. Come on! on, come on! Mga Inox, come on! Everyone, come on! Sino tataboy ay Inox sa'yo mo? Come on! Come on, Inox! Show what you got, come on! Okay, anyway, palakpakan naman po natin. Asan po ba? Wala po bang palakpakan dyan para sa Maligdan family? Asan naman po yung Alvaro family? Ayun, parang mas malakas yung Alvaro family. This time, palakpakan naman po natin. Give it up for the proud parents of the groom and the proud parents of the bride. Here we go! Come on! Yes, we're on! Ayun! Wala mo bang sampalan sa palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much once again, of course. Come on, kids! Here we go! Wala po bang mas palitan po natin? Kung okay lang. Here we go, come on! Ayun pala ang hinahanap nila. Come on! Okay, wala po bang sa malakas sa palakpakan dyan? Third, ayos naman po. Ayusin natin. Move po tayo ng konti. Boys, wag po natin po kayo sumiksik dyan. Dito tayo. Boys, come on. Move po tayo dito ng konti. Sa harap. Boys, makinig mabuti. Kayo po ang mag-represent ng Team Groom. So this time, pagalingan po tayo. Later on, makikita po natin, of course, yung mga Team Bride po natin later on. Kumpara po tayo doon. Konting natin. Sige na po, dito po tayo. Okay, again, ulitin ko ha. You're representing anong team kayo? Team? Siyang kakapuira ay Team Groom. Okay. Alexis, are you ready? The rest of the members, are you ready? Here we go! Give it up for the Team Groom! Here we go, come on! Come on, Alexis! See how much you come on! Everyone! Okay, palakpakan ng team. Anong team kayo? Team? Right, very good. Christine, Joanna Sir, pakilala na po yung booking po natin. Alright, beautiful bride. Okay, Christine, well, before we proceed the presentation, of course, Christine, moving on to one of our traditional ceremony of this celebration, we have the throwing the bouquet. Ngayon, Christine, ganito ang mangyayari. Pwede mong pakawalan yan or pwede mong iabot kung sino ang gusto mong pag-aabutan sa kanila. Okay, and at the count of 3, pwede mong ibigay o pwede mong pakawalan yan. Are you ready? Okay. Girls Bucket, dito tayo sa gitna. Ano ba? Alam ko, ang daming minor dito. Pwede siguro, pwede mo nang ibigay siguro kung sino ang gusto mong pagbibigyan sa kanila. Here we go. Kristen, are you ready? Okay, Kristen. And 3, 2, 1. Bakit walang sumalo? Ayaw nyo ba ng responsibilidad? Okay, ulitin daw. Kristen, ulitin daw. Take 2. Are you ready? Kristen, once again. And 3, 2, 1. Ayaw talaga. Kawawa naman yung booking. But anyway, ako na lang magbibigay. Ayun. Okay. Girls, sama nila dito ang ating bride. Come on. Girls, here we go. Kristen, are you ready? This time, give it a 4. We have the Team Rock. Yung mga nasa ipon. Come on! Wow! husband. Okay. Kristen and Alexis, you know. Cheers, everyone! Kampai!